In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark in Google Docs. Whether you want to protect your document with a unique identifier or just add a professional touch, this feature is simple yet incredibly effective. We're going to walk through this process step by step to make sure you get the most out of your Google Docs experience. So, let's get started. First things first, open your document in Google Docs. Once you've got your document up and running, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Insert. This is where Google Docs houses a treasure trove of options that allow you to add different elements to your document, like images, drawings, and various formatting tools. Once you click Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you will proceed to select Page Elements. Now, this part might not be something you frequently use, but it's super handy for adding structure and aesthetic details to your document, like headers, footers, or in our case, a watermark. After clicking on Page Elements, proceed to click on Watermark. If you're someone who constantly manages figures and visuals, this step is probably second nature to you. However, for those of you trying this for the first time, it might seem like a long path, but trust me, it's worth it for the level of customization it provides. Now that you're in the watermark customization area, add the text or image that you want to serve as your watermark. This could be a company logo, the word confidential, or anything else that's relevant to your document. It's your canvas, so let your creativity flow while keeping the document's purpose in mind. After entering the watermark information, you'll see options to customize its style. Here, you're the designer. You could adjust the transparency, size, and positioning. Make sure that your watermark is visible but not overwhelming. You'll likely want it to subtly integrate into your document rather than distract from the core content. Once you've tailored your watermark to your liking, your next step is to simply click on Done. This is your affirmation that the changes made are ready to go live into your document. This is a significant moment where you go from crafting to finalizing. And there you have it. You've successfully added a watermark to your Google Doc. This is a fantastic way to protect your content and enhance its professionalism. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough, and I hope this has equipped you with another valuable tool in your Google Docs toolkit. Feel free to pause and revisit any of